What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got some large crates here, so you know what time it is. Let's get this thing unboxed. Alright, so here we have the KATOOL AK-T900. This is going to be, I think this is probably the best setup you can have in your home shop, your little garage. I'm excited to get this thing going, but there it is. We've got the bouncer over there, so we're going to keep unboxing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is pretty slick. So this piece comes separated. All you have to do is attach 4 bolts onto that. This piece is also separated, so we're going to have to take these zip ties off, get that connected with the arm where that needs to go. I mean, other than upgrading this part right here, this is going to be a complete game changer. All right, so before we get this thing set up, let's hop in the box and see what we have here. In the box, we've got the installation manual. We've got something in here. We've got the piece that locks in the wheel. And some other trinkets in here, a little brush. These are for the feet. And other gadgets and gadgets here. Alright, so that's what's inside of this package here. Let's see, what is in this box? So in this box is the mirror, so you can see underneath when you're breaking that bead on the bottom there. Alright. Pretty exciting to get this thing set up and get everything going. So we're going to go ahead and hop on to the bouncer. Alright, so for the balancer, we've got a manual. We've got in the box the little hold down piece for the wheel. We've got this and a bunch of other trinkets inside here that are needed to do the job. For the unit itself, we've got the cover there. We've got this piece. We've got this. Now, on my particular unit here, looks like there's a little bit of damage on the top piece. So we're going to reach out and see if we can get that situated, but other than that, this is the entire setup here. So we've got a balancer, we've got a tire changer, and it's going to be awesome. So all I did was take the 2 screws that were here and mounted this in place here, so you can see that's the screen there. But we are ready to get rock and rolling, get these things set up. So this is the unboxing of each of these units here. I will have videos for the actual setup and assembly of the tire changer and one for the bouncer. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.